All right, everyone, buckle up because we're diving into the super cool science of how rain is made. It's a fascinating journey that starts with something we see every day but might not think much about. Picture this. It all starts with the sun. The sun is like the engine that drives the entire water cycle. The sun heats up our beautiful planet, causing water from rivers, lakes, and oceans to evaporate. This is the first step in the journey of a raindrop. Just think about a boiling pot of water. That steam rising up is kind of like what happens in nature. The heat causes the water to change from a liquid to a gas, which we call water vapor. Now, these tiny water vapor molecules, which you can't even see, float up into the sky. They are so small and light that they can be carried by the wind. As they rise, they encounter cooler temperatures. The higher they go, the cooler it gets. And what happens when they cool down? They start to condense. This means they change back into tiny liquid droplets. Imagine your breath on a cold day. That foggy mist is a mini version of what happens in the sky. The water vapor condenses into tiny droplets, forming a visible mist. These water vapor molecules band together to form clouds. Clouds are made up of countless tiny water droplets or ice crystals, but not all clouds bring rain. Some just float by, looking pretty in the sky. For rain to happen, the water droplets in the clouds need to join forces and become heavy enough to fall to the ground. This usually happens in thicker, darker clouds. This process is called coalescence. It's like a team effort where droplets merge to form larger drops. Think of it as a big dance party in the sky. The water droplets bump into each other, stick together, and grow larger and larger. The more they bump, the bigger they get. Once they're too heavy to stay up there, gravity takes over and down they come as rain. This is the final step in the journey of a raindrop, but the journey doesn't end there. The raindrops have important work to do once they reach the ground. When raindrops fall, they help nourish plants, replenish rivers, and fill up our water supplies. They are essential for life on Earth. They even play a part in keeping our environment cool and vibrant. After a good rain, everything looks fresh and alive. Now here's a fun fact. Not all precipitation is rain. The form it takes depends on the temperature and conditions in the atmosphere. It could also come down as snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature and conditions in the atmosphere. Each type of precipitation has its own unique formation process, but that's a topic for another day. There's so much more to explore about the different forms of precipitation. So next time you see a rain cloud, you'll know there's a whole lot of science going on up there. It's like a hidden world of activity that we often take for granted. The sun, evaporation, condensation, coalescence, and finally precipitation. It's like nature's way of recycling water. This cycle is crucial for maintaining life on our planet. Pretty awesome, right? The water cycle is a perfect example of how interconnected and balanced our natural world is. All right, that's it for our 3-minute journey through the rain-making process. I hope you enjoyed learning about this incredible natural phenomenon. If you enjoyed this little dive into weather wonders, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. We have plenty more exciting science topics to explore together. Thanks for watching, and remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. Keep your curiosity alive and keep exploring. Catch you next time. Until then, stay curious and keep wondering about the amazing world around you.